स्टार्टअपदेखि पाइनियरसम्म राइजिङ स्टुडेन्टदेखि डिजिटल गभर्नेन्स अवार्डसम्म यो हो आइसिटी अवार्ड, द बिगेस्ट टेक अवार्ड अफ नेपाल।
Namaste everyone. Basically, GB is a health app. So, GB as a company, health tech company, so going back to the product of GB, basically the product by itself has multiple features. It's a very widespread app in terms of you can actually do you can book appointments with the doctors at clinics, hospitals. Most of the all of these doctors are NMC registered doctors. You can actually shop online for health products, health, baby, nutrition products, etc. from GB. We have over 20,000 products on our in our system, and we are an inventory-based system, not a marketplace. So that is another. Third is you can actually talk to pharmacists. As a patient, you can actually talk to pharmacists for some expert advice as well. We have a special feature called family feature. We're probably one of the first to actually have done this, which means your family can actually look at your medical records as well, if you give them the permission. So they create a they create their profile, but then the son or the daughter can actually look at your prescriptions, etc. Obviously, notification about appointments, these are the basic features. We've got something called a peer-to-peer blood request. So if you have any blood request suddenly, because we have a very big user base, so you can actually request for blood, and somebody can actually accept that blood and say blood request and say, okay, I'm willing to donate, and go to that location and give the blood. This is a special feature that most and no app actually has, is an electronic health records that we maintain in our system. And obviously you can scan and upload prescriptions. This is actually available in many products. So all of this actually is developed in Nepal by our own developers, and it's all done in 12 months. Operations is about 11 months. I've sent 12 because we passed 11 months by a couple of days. So now uniqueness of the product is basically, this is the first time that a video consultation with doctor, one-on-one video consult with doctor through an app, which means obviously I've spoken about this in my first interview, but with this particular feature, you don't need to really connect with the doctor through their phone numbers, anything. You can just choose a doctor and get there. We have about 41 specializations, and video calling, obviously you can do it from all over Nepal, wherever you have a bandwidth. The second unique feature that we actually have is a personal health record and digital prescription. So digital prescriptions are the doctor can actually provide a prescription from their phone, which gets stored in the patient's health record, personal app. This is again the first to be done in Nepal, and I would say worldwide also will probably be not probably 4th or 5th, but not too far away. Not too many have actually done this together with the video app. And the third, which is releasing in 2 days, so I would like to just because I have the time, so I'd like to take care of, is smart diabetes management. This is again the first in Nepal for smart diabetes management, which is basically a glucometer that is going to be it's a smart glucometer that is going to be interlinked with the app, where the data is going to be stored in the app, which is provided for analysis. So you can see what kind of analysis we can do with regards to the food taken, blood sugar level, kun mati tala huncha, you can actually see, and you can actually share this data with the doctors. The patient can actually share the data with their respective doctor through Namaste Doctor as well. In terms of the impact and the performance of GB, we've crossed 200,000 downloads already. We are probably the third e-commerce app to actually do this in Nepal, and the only medical app to actually cross 100,000 downloads on Play Store. We have an additional downloads on App Store as well. We have crossed 30,000 successful deliveries since our launch in November 2019. And this is so far only in Kathmandu. We've done 24,000 plus consultations, and these consultations are actually available in 6,743 wards. Basically, what it means to say is Nepal-wide available, sir. We're the #1 medical app in Play Store at the moment, with a app rating of 4.3 stars. This is obtained through 430 organic reviews and not general peer-to-peer reviews, साथीहरूको reviews बाट मात्र होइन. In 2 days will be available in 23 cities around Nepal, which will make us probably the second most widely delivered, to have the second most wide deliveries in Nepal. Before Tihar, we plan to get to about 45 cities, which makes us our expansion plans bigger than Dara.
विस्तृत जानकारीको लागि लगइन गर्नुहोस् ictaward.org. ICT Award, honoring the best of technology sector in Nepal.